In this video, I'm going to be talking about the LG Ultra Gear 45 and the best settings for it. In this video, I'm going to cover the best settings for gaming for the LG Ultra Gear 45-inch monitor. Keep in mind that even though I'm going to be talking about the 40-inch monitor as an example in this video, these settings will also work for any other model of LG Ultra Gear monitor. So all of this can be managed by using the buttons that you see below your monitor. So instead of going over to the settings on Windows, I would recommend just pressing the buttons that you see roughly on this area. When you press those buttons, you will open the on-screen display. So in here, you can change some settings. The main options that you have to pay attention to are going to be under Game Mode, Game Adjust, and then Picture Adjust. On game mode, you will have some presets such as FPS, HDR, and so on. If you want to use these presets, they will essentially change all of the options related to the category that you select. So it can make the process much simpler. But if you want to fine-tune each individual setting, then you can ignore this for now. If you go to Game Adjust, the very first thing that you will see is Adaptive Sync. I would highly recommend this being enabled because this will fix any sort of screen tearing that might occur if you are flicking or if you are having trouble reaching a desired frame rate in a game. So it eliminates the screen tearing that might appear while playing. I would highly recommend enabling this, especially if you are a competitive gamer. Next, you have Black Stabilizer. Usually, leaving this on default should be okay, but you can fine-tune to make sure that the contrast between the dark and light areas is appealing to you. Crosshair simply adds a digital crosshair on the middle of your screen for any game. It is usually irrelevant, so enable this if a specific game that you want doesn't have a nice crosshair. FPS counter, as the name suggests, will give you the current FPS at the corner of the screen. And then Game Reset won't really change the settings related to the colors and the visuals. Under Picture Adjust, you will find stuff like brightness, peak brightness, contrast, sharpness, gamma, and color temperature. You have some other additional settings below, but in my opinion, the only important ones are going to be brightness, peak brightness, contrast, and sharpness. The rest is up to you. It's down to personal preference according to what you find pleasing to look at. Brightness should be set as high as possible to get the best results. But if this strains your eye, you can lower this to something like 97 or as low as 87. If you are using HDR, which I highly recommend if a specific game supports it, then you want to set peak brightness to high as well. As long as you are able to drive the monitor at high brightness, HDR will look incredible. Contrast can be set anywhere between 60 and 70. Again, it is essentially down to personal preference, but I believe 60 to 70 is a good balance between sharp images while still being able to tell everything and not being over sharpened, and you will be able to mess with these settings here. So just use the on-screen display and you will be able to set up your LG Ultra Gear 45-inch. I hope I was able to help you on the best settings for the LG Ultra Gear 45-inch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.